You're welcome to Ask Daniel Fix. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you how to install webview2 runtime on your PC. So the reason why you need this on your PC is because there are some apps that you might not be able to use on your PC if you don't have the webview2 installed on your PC. So I was about to make use of my WhatsApp app. After installing it, and also this error message here which says that I need to install the webview2 on my PC. So in this video, I'm going to guide you through the whole step I'm going to take in order to install it and get my WhatsApp running again. So after downloading the WhatsApp software like this, I want to use it. Now clicking on open like this, it is directing me to this page telling me that I need to install webview2 from Microsoft. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let me just simply go ahead and clear this from my PC and then show you the step you need to actually take in order to get that done. So let me simply go to my Firefox like this. Right, is my Firefox. You can actually do this on your Firefox, on your Chrome. Just go to your browser and search for this. So looking right here, you can see this link right here. You can see this first one or second one. You can actually click on any of them. They're actually the same thing. So if you click on any of them like this, I'm going to click on the second one like this. So right here, you're going to see the option of download webview2. If you scroll down like this is what you're going to see. So let me just scroll to the top. Now looking right here, you can see download webview2. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that like this, and then I'm going to scroll down right here. You can see this. Just go ahead and scroll down. Looking right here, you can see the option of accept and download. So if you click on that, looking right here, it says your download will begin shortly. Go ahead and click on close. Now going to the download section on your browser like this, you are going to see Microsoft webview2 setup. So clicking on it like this, once it is done downloading, let me go ahead and click on it like this. So once the download is completed, just wait for the installation to be completed as well. Now looking right here, you can see installing Microsoft Edge webview2 runtime. So you just wait for it to be completed as well. So when the installation is completed, you can now move out from your browser. Now go to your Microsoft app like this. Now remember, I was actually facing this problem because I wanted to make use of WhatsApp on my PC, but I was not able to do that. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and click on open and see what it is going to show me. Now remember, I'm done installing the webview2. So let me simply see what it is going to show me on my PC. Now looking right here, it is showing me welcome to WhatsApp, which means that if I log in, I would now be able to use my WhatsApp app on my PC since the webview2 is now installed on my PC. So this is how simple it is for you to install webview2 on your PC. Hope you found this guide helpful. I do hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel on Ask Daniel Fix channel. See you in the next one.